Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural health with some fantastic home remedies for cleansing your kidneys. Our kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste and toxins from our blood, so it's essential to keep them healthy. Let's get started. First up, we have water. It might sound simple, but staying hydrated is one of the best things you can do for your kidneys. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. Proper hydration helps your kidneys remove toxins more efficiently. Next, let's talk about parsley. This herb is known for its diuretic properties, which can help flush out toxins from your kidneys. To make a parsley tea, just boil a handful of fresh parsley in water for 10 minutes, strain it, and enjoy it twice a day. Cranberry juice is another great option. It's well known for preventing urinary tract infections, but it also helps in cleansing the kidneys. Make sure to choose unsweetened cranberry juice and drink a glass daily. Lemons are fantastic for your kidneys. They help in increasing citrate levels in your urine, which can prevent kidney stones. Squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water every morning. It's a refreshing and healthy way to start your day. Apple cider vinegar is another powerful remedy. It helps in dissolving kidney stones and flushing out toxins. Mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it once a day. Watermelon is not just a delicious summer treat, it's also great for your kidneys. It contains a lot of water and has diuretic properties, helping you stay hydrated and flush out toxins. Snack on watermelon regularly to support your kidney health. These are just a few simple and natural ways to help cleanse your kidneys. Remember, while these remedies can support kidney health, they should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Stay healthy and take care of your kidneys. See you next time.